The COVID pandemic has changed the way we do a lot of things, including how, when, and where we travel. But at Hotel Sky in Johannesburg, South Africa, it's changed the way this accommodation operates, as they've just hired 3 new robotic staff members. Meet Lexi, Micah, and Ariel, the newest members of staff at Hotel Sky and workers that cannot contact nor spread any variant of the COVID virus. The robots each have their own jobs, just like human staff would, with Micah providing concierge services in the lobby, while the other robots deliver room service or drag up to 660 pounds of luggage to guests' rooms. And it's all controlled via an app, ensuring no human-to-human contact or transmission of disease. But if you think these robots are missing a human touch, or more likely a human response to the emotional needs of guests, think again. Here's the hotel's managing director, Paul Kelly.
They assist us with analytics in the hotel space, so they would be able to pick up with facial recognition, mood. It's called mood sentiment, to see whether people's facial expressions are happy or sad.
These are the first robot hotel workers in all of Africa, according to Kelly, but they'll likely not be the last.